Hello, this is just a quick video in case you're getting a water leak in the back of your T30 model Xtrail. Just to show where it starts or where you see it. You probably see these rusty watermarks coming down here, down there, running down, usually pulling down around down here, usually on both sides, you probably see down there the rusty watermarks. And after pulling out pretty much the whole interior of the back of the Xtrail, and took me a few goes to find out, and taking the taillights off, the loom, everything, checking the rubber boots around here, resealed those about 3 times, checked here, checked the taillight, checked the under the spoiler, the seals they're all fine. Where it actually was coming from is the body seam just down here. I just did a half-assed job for the moment, just to see if that sort of stopped it or slowed it down. I did it on both sides. I smeared a bit extra on this one. Don't use silicone, because silicone will eat the paintwork and you'll get some rust issues after that. Use a thing that's friendly on car bodies. Usually windscreen sealant, you're pretty sort of safe. But this one I haven't done a good enough job, because I'm still finding a bit of water coming through the top there. You can probably see the drop in that little cutout there, so looks like I'll have to do it again, but I have to use something a little more significant than that. So, checking the seal there might be another issue somewhere there that I can't see or haven't used enough, but I'll get onto it. And even taking the door or the roof trim off, you can't see much there, because there's about 3 or 4 skins there, and you can see the rust marks where it's been oozing out of, runs down and ends up down the bottom there. And we'll see how we go. But with what I did up there, stopped 90% of it, so we'll see how we go.